Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Food Love Kitchen, and I am Pradnya. And really sorry, this week I didn't uploaded any video due to my exams and I was also not feeling well. But this video we are going to see how to make cold coffee, a really delicious substance. So if you like the recipe, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In a small bowl, take 1.5 teaspoon of the instant coffee powder. I'm here using Nescafe because I just love Nescafe. And then to it add 1.5 tablespoon of hot water and mix it well. This process is important because the coffee gets heated and just it gives a nice flavor. Then in your juicer or a mixer grinder or anything that you have, add 1 plus half cup of milk. This is cold milk and I'm using buffalo milk because it has fat. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And here's my favorite dairy milk. I'm going to just add it to it to just have middle crunches in middle, so it gives nice taste. And this is chocolate syrup. Chocolate syrup is very easy to make in house. Now add our coffee mixture. And then add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. So guys, now this is first turn. We are going to just grind it once time till the sugar dissolves. I didn't mention the sugar. And then add ice cubes and 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. These are 10 rupees cups that we get Amul vanilla ice cream. Guys, I didn't mention the sugar, but you can add as per your taste, how strong you like or how sweet you like. And then grind it once again till the ice cube dissolves. And then take 2 glasses and I'm going to decorate with this chocolate syrup, which gives a really nice look to our glasses and a classy look. I just love decoration and it's a very nice process. If you don't have chocolate syrup, you can use Hershey's chocolate syrup, or you can make it at home by melting the chocolate. After freezing it and keeping the cold coffee, also I'm going to cold it, and I cold it and then add to your glasses. And now while adding, if you have to also add the foam. The foam is really important in cold coffee as per my view. Now our cold coffee is ready. After spreading all the foam, I'm going to just add whipping cream to decorate it. Decorating with whipping cream is really a nice idea just I got, and it really enhances the flavor of cold coffee. It's better than the cold coffee we get outside. Then I'm going to garnish it with chocolate sauce or chocolate syrup. This is again I tell you that this is the homemade chocolate syrup. It's very easy, just melt the dairy milk. Now in the second glass too I am done similar thing. Now just pieces of Cadbury or Cadbury chocolate dairy milk. Now our cold coffee is ready and it's really tasty, amazing, and it has a better taste than outside. So if you like the recipe, then really hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Enjoy!